Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys a little trick on how to install your ball joints and bushings with using nothing but a little bit of elbow grease and a little bit of ice. So to remove the old parts, I just used a hammer and rust penetrant. It was fairly simple since the parts had no corrosion. But if you're finding it difficult due to rust, a torch will be your best friend here. I'm using this method of removing and installing in case access to the tool is unavailable, but just so you know, it's much easier with the tool. Just be careful not to hit it too hard and damage the mating surfaces, or else you're going to be in a lot of trouble reinstalling this. Next step is cooling down those parts. Throwing them in a freezer for a couple hours or even overnight works perfect. Since my freezer is not close to my garage though, a cooler with some ice will do just fine. After a few hours on ice, it's time to take out your parts and start the assembly. On assembly, be careful not to pinch and rip the new boot while hammering in the new ball joint. So I do have a confession early on in my channel. The trailing arm bushings didn't shrink. I know, but it was my own fault for buying stiffer bushings and not getting them cold enough probably. No big deal, I'll show you guys how to install them the proper way in another video. And there you have it. Just be sure to install the snap rings and grease fittings if they come with any, and it's ready to go back on the car and up in the air for an alignment. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more.